trim and shape your nails using a nail clipper and file to achieve your desired length and shape. Soak your nails in warm, soapy water for a few minutes to soften the cuticles and make them easier to push back. Use a cuticle remover or cuticle softener to gently remove any excess cuticle buildup around the nail bed. Use a gentle nail buffer to buff the surface of each nail in a back and forth motion, focusing on smoothing out any ridges or imperfections. Be careful not to overbuff, as this can weaken the nails. Before applying the base coat, ensure the gel polish bottle is properly shaken or stirred to mix the ingredients. Use a brush with just enough product to cover the nail without flooding the cuticles. If you accidentally get any polish on your skin, use a clean brush dipped in nail polish remover to clean up the edges before curing. After applying the first coat of color, use an orange wood stick or cleanup brush dipped in nail polish remover to clean up any excess polish around the cuticles before curing. For intricate designs or nail art, use thin, precise strokes to avoid pooling or streaking. If you're layering different colors or adding nail art, ensure each layer is fully cured before applying the next to prevent smudging or mixing. Apply the top coat in a thin, even layer, ensuring full coverage without flooding the cuticles or sidewalls. Use a clean brush dipped in rubbing alcohol to remove any tacky residue left on the nails after curing the top coat. After removing any tacky residue, apply a small amount of cuticle oil or hand cream to hydrate and nourish the nails and surrounding skin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.